A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical device that converts hydrogen and oxygen into water, electricity, and heat. It operates similarly to a battery, but instead of using stored chemicals, it generates electricity as long as it is supplied with hydrogen and oxygen. The process begins with the splitting of hydrogen molecules into positively charged hydrogen ions and negatively charged electrons. The hydrogen ions then pass through a polymer electrolyte membrane, while the electrons flow through an external circuit, generating electrical current. Meanwhile, oxygen is drawn into the fuel cell and combines with the hydrogen ions and electrons, producing water and heat as byproducts. This process is called the electrochemical reaction, and it generates a direct current that can be used to power an electric motor, among other applications. The efficiency of a fuel cell is typically higher than that of an internal combustion engine, as it produces electricity directly from hydrogen and oxygen without burning them. Additionally, fuel cells produce no harmful pollutants, only water and heat, making them a promising technology for powering vehicles and other applications in a cleaner and more sustainable way.